I don't do a lot of prep work. I will typically do 2 to 5 minutes worth of prep work prior to going to listing consultation. What does that prep work look like? I do a quick search to see what's active, what's closed, and what's sold, and I maybe look at the tax records to make sure that I'm going to be speaking to the right people. Because the reality of the situation is with this stuff is there's only so much prep work you can do before you head on an appointment. And keep in mind, if you're in a cookie cutter neighborhood, you barely have to do anything, right? So the thing is when you go out in an appointment, is like you got to see the house to get an idea of what the house should be priced at. You should have your listing consultation prepped, way ahead of time. You should know exactly what you're doing. You should know how to speak about your marketing, how to get people to like you, how to close. Like, that's easy. The pricing is the only wild card. But the question is, how can you price a home without actually seeing the home first? So what I do, like I said, 2 minutes, quick run through. So I'm at least, I have enough ammunition to be dangerous. Okay. So I go to the house, I look through the house, we sit down. When we're talking price, I pull up the comps with them. So what'll happen is I almost self-realize along with them. So I look at the property and I look at, first off, what's sold within the last 3 months, within a quarter mile, what's in contract within the last, recent forever, within a quarter mile, and then currently what's active in their neighborhood within 1 square mile. So like I said, there's not much prep you have to do ahead of time. You should be ready to go with your entire consultation. The only wild card is the price. But do yourself a favor. Don't price the home before you get out there. Price it when you're with the people, because you self-realize, they'll self-realize, and it's a win-win for all.